Hi guys, it's Jayza. In this video, I'm going to teach you a really easy version of how to play Despacito on the piano so you can play for fun or show it off to your friends. I've broken this tutorial down into 3 levels. Let's start with level 1, the right hand part. And I'm going to do this very slowly so you can follow along. Now the simple way to start Despacito would be like this. But I've decided to change it up a little bit. I've made it a little bit harder because I think it sounds a bit cooler. So my version sounds like this. Okay? And you repeat that. Okay, moving on to the next part. And again. Awesome, let's move on now to level 2, which is the left-hand chords. Now these chords are pretty simple to learn. I actually did a piano chords tutorial where I taught people how to use the chords I'm about to teach you to play over 1,000 songs. It's pretty bizarre. So go check out that video if you have not. We first have our A minor chord, and A minor consists of A, C, and E. You'll use your 5, 3, and finger number 1 to play that. The next chord you'll need would be the F chord. So you just keep that same position and go to F. Next one, C major. So keep the position, go to C. And then now go to G. Pretty beautiful, huh? Let's try that again. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Awesome. So in the left-hand part of Despacito, all I need you to do is to run through that bunch of chords twice for 4 beats each. It sounds first like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and then second time. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, and now you do them for 1 beat. 1, 1, 1, 1, 4 times each. And again. Beautiful bunch of chords. Now I hope you're treading along okay, and I hope you're finding all this quite manageable. If you are following along and you are feeling like you're learning something, make sure to subscribe to this channel so more tutorials like this will come your way. Okay, moving on to level 3, hands together, a pianist's worst nightmare. So, the tricky thing about playing hands together is the coordination and timing of playing both hands together. So I'm going to do it very, very slowly so you can see how exactly to coordinate both of these hands. Very slowly. And again, same thing. Moving on to our next part, goes like this. And that concludes our tutorial for today. If you have enjoyed it, remember to subscribe to this channel so more tutorials like this will come your way. Also, let me know in the comments, what kind of other songs would you like tutorials for on this channel? Keep practicing piano and I'll see you on the flippity flop.